Hey, today I'm in the kitchen and I've been posting recipes on the channel once in a while, and here's a quick, easy one that'll blow your mind. So this is just a variation of the traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Today I'm using this Sara Lee honey wheat bread. It's what I usually eat. And Jif creamy peanut butter. And just like the regular old peanut butter and jelly, I just put some on here. Smucker's jelly is one of my favorites if I don't have homemade. And this being a fishing channel, I feel the need to say when I go out to Caddo Lake in East Texas, I always pick up Mayhaw jelly. That stuff is the best jelly you will ever taste. This here is just blackberry. So the only change to the traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I make on this is I take this cereal. And this is Cascadian Farm Oats and Honey Granola. Any granola would probably work, but this is what we have and this is what I like to use. And I just did this by mistake one day. My wife was eating some granola and I was about to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and just thought, you know what, I'm gonna put some of that on here and see what it tastes like. And like I said, it'll blow your mind. That's all there is to it. So if you're looking to impress somebody with a quick, easy snack, right here it is. It's awesome. Gives it a nice crunch.